Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0365, signifies an issue with the camshaft position, CMP, sensor B circuit, indicating that no signal is being received. The CMP sensor plays a crucial role in monitoring the position of the camshaft, which is essential for proper engine timing and operation. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, located in the engine bay, relies on this input to ensure efficient engine performance. When the PCM does not detect a pulse signal from CMP sensor B, it identifies an abnormality and stores the DTC for further diagnosis. Proper understanding and troubleshooting of this DTC are vital to prevent potential damage and ensure optimal engine function in the Honda Accord 2023. Plus, the Camshaft Position Sensor B, CMP Sensor B, is critical for detecting the position of the camshaft. Positioned near the cylinder head on the engine, it monitors camshaft rotation and sends this information to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. The PCM is responsible for managing engine functions and optimizing performance. When it receives a signal from the CMP sensor B, it uses the data to adjust ignition timing and fuel injection. If the sensor fails to send a signal, it can lead to poor engine running conditions or even a no-start situation. Therefore, ensuring the CMP sensor B is functional is essential in preventing operational issues in the Honda Accord. There are several possible causes that can lead to the DTC P0365 being triggered. Firstly, the CMP sensor B itself could be faulty, preventing it from producing an output signal to the PCM. Secondly, wiring issues such as open or shorted circuits can disrupt the signal transmission between the sensor and the PCM. Lastly, the Powertrain Control Module may also be the source of the problem if it is malfunctioning and unable to process the signals properly. A thorough inspection of each component is crucial to accurately diagnose and resolve the DTC P0365. When dealing with DTC P0365, several symptoms may indicate the presence of the issue. Drivers may notice poor engine performance, which could manifest as rough idling, reduced power, or stalling. Additionally, the vehicle may exhibit difficulty starting. In some instances, the check engine light will illuminate on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a potential problem requiring attention. These symptoms can signify that the camshaft timing is not being controlled properly due to a lack of signal from CMP sensor B, leading to serious engine operational concerns if left unaddressed. To begin troubleshooting DTC P0365, the first step involves inspecting the CMP sensor B itself. Start by disconnecting the CMP sensor B connector, which has 3 pins. Once disconnected, you should check the voltage output while in the ignition IG mode. The expected normal output voltage is about 5.0 volts. If this voltage reading is present, the CMP sensor is likely functional, and the problem may lie elsewhere in the circuit. However, if the voltage is significantly below this threshold or absent, it indicates a potential fault with either the CMP sensor B or related components, necessitating further investigation. Following the initial check, the next troubleshooting step involves inspecting the external circuits associated with the CMP sensor. This includes checking the VCC1 power supply, SG1 ground, and CAM extension X signal circuits. Start by ensuring that the CMP sensor B connector remains disconnected, as well as the PCM connector. The expected readings for the circuits should show less than 1 ohm of resistance, indicating optimal connectivity. If any circuit displays an open condition or resistance greater than 1 ohm, it signifies an issue in the wiring or connection, necessitating repair or replacement to ensure proper function. In the third troubleshooting step, focus on potential shorts in the circuit. Specifically, examine the CAM_EX wire for any shorts to ground. This requires the circuits to be disconnected, allowing for individual testing. A reading of more than 1 megaohm obtained during the inspection indicates a healthy circuit with no short circuits present. Conversely, if the resistance is below this value, there is a fault that needs addressing. Implementing corrective measures for any identified circuit shorts is crucial to restoring proper function and communication between the CMP sensor B and the PCM. Finally, if all previous inspections return normal results, the last step is to inspect the powertrain control module, PCM. Ensure that the concerns related to the CMP sensor and its circuits have been ruled out. If everything else appears to function correctly, it is likely that the PCM itself is at fault. Diagnosing the PCM can be complex, as it requires specific tools and expertise. If it is determined that the PCM is indeed the source of the problem, replacing or reprogramming it might be necessary to resolve the issue reported by DTC P0365 and restore optimal engine performance. Once all repairs and replacements have been completed, it is crucial to verify that the vehicle is functioning correctly before concluding the service. Start by clearing the DTC using an appropriate diagnostic tool to reset the PCM. Following this, conduct a test drive under various conditions to ensure the vehicle operates smoothly and that no warning lights reappear. Pay close attention to any engine performance issues that may indicate an unresolved problem. Monitoring for any reoccurrence of DTC P0365 is essential during this phase, as it confirms the success of the repair process and ensures long-term reliability in the Honda Accord. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0365, regular maintenance practices are essential. Begin with periodic inspections of the CMP sensors and their wiring to ensure no physical damage or wear occurs. Keeping the wiring harnesses intact and free from corrosion or cuts assists in maintaining connectivity. Additionally, incorporating routine checks of the powertrain control module's performance can help identify potential faults before they escalate into significant issues. This proactive approach to maintenance is crucial for the longevity of the engine's performance and functionality in the Honda Accord. In conclusion, understanding the role and functionality of the camshaft position sensor B is vital for anyone working on the Honda Accord 2023 Plus. Following the outlined troubleshooting steps will help accurately diagnose and resolve DTC P0365, ensuring proper engine operation and performance. Recognizing the potential symptoms and causes aids in quicker identification of the problem. Furthermore, emphasizing preventive maintenance through regular inspections and checks can significantly reduce the likelihood of future issues, ensuring the engine remains in optimal condition. This comprehensive guide serves as a useful reference for both technicians and vehicle owners alike. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!